Alright guys, I'm back with a short video today, so welcome back. This is going to be a pretty quick unboxing. So this is part of my EDC. I have an older version of this, and I have a big kind of regular wallet that's an AirTag wallet, and I feel like they might have updated their wallets a little bit. So this is by Nomatic. You'll recognize them a lot more with some future videos because part of my EDC is either their 15-liter Navigator Lite backpack or their Navigator Lite sling. And I actually have another one of their slings on the way too. It's the 1-liter Navigator Lite. And then my camera bag is a Peter McKinnon Nomatic 35-liter camera bag, but I also ordered one of the Luma camera bags, 18-liter camera bags. So I'll be doing an unboxing video of that, and then eventually what's in my camera bag. And eventually also what's in my everyday carry and things like that. So let's open this bad boy up. I did take it out of the regular packaging because it is a pain in the butt to open. But so you kind of get it like this, and you know, let's open this part up. The packaging is nice, the material is nice. This has Velcro, and it kind of shows you how to use it, where your cards go, and all that good stuff. All right, so we're just going to pull that off like that. I wasn't sure if we were going to have to break something. So this is what it looks like. All right, pretty basic. All right, your cards fit in here in the top, right here. So these are two, you know, dummy cards, which maybe I'll hold on to these for future wallet videos. And then I think there's also a place here on the bottom for quick access for a couple other cards. And then you have this little pocket right here. All right, this little pocket, you can put cash in, you can put keys in. I'm going to put an AirTag in that pocket. So this is just an unboxing video, but I will be doing a more long-term review of this wallet in the next couple weeks. I mean, the material feels really nice. It feels good in the hands. You pull this tab to access your cards. So this holds quite a few cards too. So if you have it, just pull that up, pull your cards out, push it back down. This goes back down. Yeah, and then like I said, you have like your regular cards here, and then you have, I think, quick access right here. The one thing that I'm not a huge fan of is the quick access card sticks out further than the regular cards, and that kind of bothers me a little bit. But I don't know if there's a whole lot that can be done about it. So I don't know if I'll use this quick access place or not. So that's it. That's the video. This is the Nomatic wallet, and I'll be doing a long-term review on it. This is just the unboxing of it today. So I'll let you know how it does over the next few weeks. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, smash that bell so you get notified when I put out new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.